First of all, I congratulate Vaidya Ashwinji for organizing this conference and popularizing Agni Karma in such a big way. So big hand to Dr. Ashwin Barot. The Agni Karma was not much paid attention, and this now is coming to the limelight. We are a bit late in this, but it is never late than never. And I am very much sure that this pain management concept is beyond the concept of anesthesia. We are not just talking about putting a curtain in between the stimulus of pain and your perception. It is actually treating the pain, and that will give much more comfortable life to the patient. We want to implement, we want to utilize not only the human resource but the knowledge of Ayurveda in running the health and wellness centers. So it is the promotion of health, the swasthasya swastha rakshanam, the promotion of health. So that is the first target, followed by aturusya vikar prashamana. So likewise, we are working in a big way, the integration of Ayurveda. So a lot of new things are coming up, and the coming few days or few years, you will see that few years back we have seen the revolution, the IT revolution, and now next is the Ayurveda revolution. Thank you very much.
Dr. A.P. Singh ji, Dr. Nicholas, Dr. Eleni, Dr. Camillus, and Dr. Ashwin Barot. It's a privilege for me to be here in this august audience, and particularly on a very important topic, which is little bit separated and alienated from the Ayurveda practices, and the deliberations will be focused on Agni Karma in much more detail in the entire day. There is a huge task before this audience, that let us train ourselves in Agni Karma. We practice it. We create new centers with the help of Ayush, with the institutes like Gujarat Vidyapeeth and other universities.
And we have started. That was the era of the vibrant Ayurveda in Gujarat. That even in WHO, the what is health and healthy person, the definition is taken from the Ayurveda. Some dosha, some Agni. You must be knowing. So Ayurveda is having everything. So once again, I have to again congratulate Dr. Dr. Ashwin Barot and his team for establishing this Agni Karma, and this should percolate to all the corners of the India, all the corners of Gujarat and abroad.
Really, my first words would be words of thankfulness to Vaidya Ashwin Barot. I would not have been studying Ayurveda unless I met him when I was doing research in asthma in England. I was working with AstraZeneca, and then I was supposed to do a PhD with Sandoz in England. Meet a Vaidya. You know, Vaidya means, you know, all the knowledge. why should I invent just one chemical? If I have this possibility to learn Ayurveda and treat a human being as a whole, we should do it, not just say it.
And the pain that was around 9, what is it now?
Gone.
Gone. Excellent, okay. Has it ever happened again with anything else?
No, no way, no.
I say, have you ever experienced this before? No, no, no. This is the first time she got relief in 10 minutes with Agni Karma.
So we are happy?
The clapping goes to Vaidya and Baro, to all the famous people here, and to Charaka and Susruta. Finally, with Vaidya and Barot, you are an inspiration to our life. It so happened a few days ago, I was cycling up a mountain, and there was a rainbow. So I think Ayurveda and Agni Karma is like a rainbow giving hope to suffering patients. And you will do it, black hair people. Hari Om.
If provided that the version doer or service provider is a potent Sadguru, and I am very happily and very proud to say that Vaidya Ashwin Barot is such a bona fide proved Sadguru to update your versions. So always be in contact. Always be in contact with him. And I would strongly suggest you, if you want to work in this field, have a photograph of him and keep it in your pocket, or in left pocket, so that you had be left lateral suhoi heart.
So it's not just Agni Karma, but it's talking about the basic principles of Ayurveda in general and how they might help doctors practice medicine and to keep themselves healthy and well. So neuromodulation, this is one of the original diagrams from René Descartes 300 years ago. It's of interest because in the original diagram there was a fire at the feet of the boy in the picture. So we're still talking about that fire, that Agni. And what's changed over the period of time is that we now know that the brain can turn off signals. The brain is no longer passive. It's involved in the process. And through the gate theory of pain, we have learned about endorphins and neuromodulation. And Agni Karma is another way of opening up this whole area from a scientific point of view and learning about how the brain actually works. So it is really exciting that you have a therapy from your tradition that works really well for patients to get patients better, and that's the most important thing. But it's also exciting that we may be on the threshold of explaining how it might work. And in doing that, we will learn a lot more about how the brain works.
Agni Karma fulfills all these criteria if you look at into it. So Agni Karma, it is the precise application of a heat to particular trigger points which are located by the type of the disorder, the constitution of the patient's Prakriti. पित्त वाले प्रकृति, पित्त प्रकृति पेशेंट में अग्नि कर्म विथ वेरी कॉशियस रह के करना पड़ता है. तो अग्नि कर्म करने के लिए प्रकृति को देखना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है.
जैसे तपन सर ने बताया कि सद्गुरु, सही में भगवान धन्वंतरी के आशीर्वाद से मुझे सद्गुरु मिले वैद्य अश्विन बारोट सर, जिनके आशीर्वाद और गाइडेंस से आज मैं आपके सामने यहाँ इस मंच पे उपस्थित हूँ. अश्विन बारोट सर के गाइडेंस से ये अग्नि कर्म की मूवमेंट शुरू हुई और हमें मौका मिला काफ़ी सारे पेशेंट्स का पेन, उनका दर्द, उनका सफरिंग कम करने का, दूर करने का. चलाय છે લાકડી હોય તો ટીચર પર વજન નથી અપાતું. હજુ એકવાર પાછા જાઓ તો 34 साल की इतनी कम उम्र में घुटने का दर्द हुआ था और चलने में दिक्कत होती थी. लकड़ी के सहारे चलना पड़ता था. सीढ़ियाँ भी उतर रहे हम देख सकते हैं, जो चल नहीं पाते थे.
ग्लोबल अग्नि कर्म सेंटर में मैं आया और 1 महीने में तो मैं चलता हो गया था नॉर्मली.
एक ही महीने में नॉर्मली चलने लगे।
पैर सीधा ही रखना पड़ता था। He was not able to bend the knee just like that.
चलना पड़ता था मेरे को।
ऐसा कितने
यहाँ से 20-25 फुट जाऊं तो ही तकलीफ हो जाती थी
और बैठ जाना पड़ता था।
अग्निकर्म से मुझे इतना फायदा।
Sometimes feel ashamed to say I'm Ayurvedist, but I'm telling you, Ayurveda is the elixir of life. अमृत समझते हो शब्द? तो यूनिवर्सिटी में कॉलेज में लिखते हैं आयुर्वेद अमृताना। अमृत इफ यू ड्रिंक just a little, it can transform your life. Ayurveda is not the science of medicine, it is the science of life.
It's से आपको सैल्यूट करना चाहता हूँ। आप में मैं भगवान धन्वंतरी देख रहा हूँ कि आयुर्वेद में सर हमेशा ऐसा रहा है कि जिसने जो भी पाया वो छिपा लिया, उसने अपने तक ही सीमित कर लिया। लेकिन आपको आज मिलकर के ऐसा मुझे गर्व भी हो रहा है और महसूस हो रहा है कि मेरा आयुर्वेद काफ़ी आगे अब जाने वाला है।
At the beginning when I started practicing neurology, I thought headaches is headaches to me because there is no treatment. And thanks to Dr. Nicholas and then to Dr. Barot, I came across to Agni Karma.
हाँ तो थोड़ा सा देखो उसको, अभी उसकी एज देखो, उसका टाइम देखो, उसका बॉडी लैंग्वेज देखो। Yeah, but it is his विकृति और प्रकृति। कहाँ? How do you know? ये put on weight, ये यंग था तो उसका इतना पेट नहीं था। I'm not asking you, I'm telling you, यंग था तो इसका टमी नहीं था इतना। He was a bright, young, good-looking man at 30 years of age. When you look at his photographs, उसका फोटोग्राफ निकालो, कितनी साल है आपका? 60, 65, अभी 25 का फोटोग्राफ निकालो उसका। Think about him, 25 years old, because Prakriti same hai, you are mixing it with Vikruti. You understand? I'm asking about genetic makeup. Come, open the... I teach real Ayurveda, okay? ભણવું છે ને? આવી રીતે આયુર્વેદ ભણાય, ચોપડીઓ ગોખીને આટા મારે ના આયુર્વેદ. Now, only I. Now, if you look at him like, is the Pitta there or not? It's only when it comes to body you say it's Pitta Kapha. But this is just the Pitta. So his constitution is Kapha Pitta, or you can be very precise, Pitta Kapha. He's slightly overweight, muscles are more. But you must look at the person like you enter the person and you should know. So Pitta Kapha और जो Pitta है वो साधक Pitta, concentration, कुछ करना है लाइफ में, कुछ ऐसा करना है, which is because of your sadhak Pitta in the brain.
Since 1 year he was bearing this pain. The pain was so severe that he did not want to leave. With the first session there was 50% improvement.
Now I had complete relief.
Complete means?
Complete means 100%.
100%
इनसे
relief.
जास्ती बोलूं तो भी कम है.